What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dr. J here to unbox these Jordan 3 Wizards, the PE. I got these because I had a pair similar to this. Maybe it was about 2001, and I let them sit in the closet for 10 years or so, and they fell apart. I'll cut to show you.
Yesterday I broke out my retro 3s that I've had since '04, about 10 years old. So I start walking and they just disintegrated. They became some Jordan flip-flops by the end of the day. I can't believe that this is what happens when these shoes get old. 2 pair of flip-flops. Air pocket fell out and everything.
One of those, but I wanted to get these out of the box. I took them out of the shipping box, but I have not pulled the shoes out of here to see what they look like. I wanted to go through that with you. I have some other 3s here for reference. This box is a little different. It has a flip lid. It has the elephant print on it. You can see the labels on that side. These have the big Jordan. This has the small Jordan. These are the old school boxes. I'm guessing this is the new school box for this. So you open it up, you get that elephant print paper that you're used to. And here goes the shoe. Taking it off the box, I'm noticing some nice tumbled leather. And the laces are strewn about the place. Hopefully I didn't get a return pair, but I don't see any creases in the toe. So I'm gonna pull out that shoe and the second shoe. I'm only taking out one of the others. It is a single piece of paper in here, and I don't see the label that we usually look for in here. There are some stamps and markings in the box, but I won't cover all that. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these for you all. So here are the shoes. My initial impression is that they look good. There doesn't appear to be a whole lot of glue stains on them. Let me flip them around as I'm looking at that. I don't see a lot of glue stains on them. I do see one flaw by this air pocket. I'll put that up a little closer to see if you can see that in there. There's just like a flaw of the paint, but that's no big deal. It would happen when I wear it. Elephant print is lighter on the left shoe than the right shoe. The black is a little bit different. Bring those a little closer, but nothing too bad. You couldn't imagine. It is nice elephant print. Overall, the shoe looks really good. It does have the Jordan on the back. I'll flip the left shoe, the back towards you. I know there's the whole debate of Jordan versus Nike Air. I do like the Jordan on this particular pair. I like the Nike Air on these pairs since they were true to what they're supposed to be. Looking at the 3 pairs, looking in the inside, this definitely has the least padding. This one is probably in the middle, and these fire reds have the most padding in them. The leather feels quality. The tumble is really nice. I really like that tumble. Copper is not bad. The pair I had before, it was red right there. The Jumpman was blue, so these are almost identical to what I had before. I'll see if I can find the style number. I'm sure you've seen the soles of these. So one thing I wanted to do while we have them on camera is to maybe line these left shoes up for you so you can take a look and see any differences between them. At a quick glance, I can tell the toe on this is lifted a little more, but overall the shape seems pretty good. I'll put that on top of there so you can see that. I should actually stack them right here, and then you can get a good look at all the shoes. I haven't worn any of these. I will wear all of them. I do like the differences in the elephant print. It's darkest on the fire reds, followed by the Reimagined 3s, and it's lightest on these Wizard PEs. The tumbled leather is most noticeable. It's really, the texture's really, you can really feel the texture a lot on this Wizard pair. You can feel it a decent amount on these fire reds. On this pair of Reimagined, it's pretty smooth. This pair is a LN4. The other shoe has a lot more tumble. I do have another pair of these that are the LN3 factory, and their differences, they're subtle, but it's so much so I can't figure out which one to wear. But anywho, back to the Wizard. Has the Jordan inside. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of reviews on these shoes. It is nice. It's a nice pair to put into the rotation. It's a pair that I'm going to wear, and I will leave it there. So happy sneaker shopping.